Hello teachers and students! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Ma'am Rein. If you haven't subscribed yet on my channel, please click the subscribe button below and also the notification bell para maging updated tayo whenever I upload videos. So for today's video, we have Cartesian coordinate plane based on most essential learning competencies or MELC. In this video, you will know the basic components of a Cartesian coordinate plane, plot the points and locate the points on a Cartesian coordinate plane. So in a Cartesian coordinate plane, it consists of two number lines. One number line is the horizontal number line, which has positive numbers and the negative numbers, and that is called the x-axis. Next is the vertical number line, that is also known as the y-axis. This is called Cartesian plane, Cartesian coordinate plane, or rectangular coordinate system. This Cartesian plane has been discovered by a French mathematician, René Descartes. This Cartesian plane has the origin of the horizontal number line and the origin of the vertical number line. And this origin has coordinates of 0, 0. Pag sinabi natin coordinates, it is the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate, and also known as the ordered pair. And this is used to locate a specific point in a Cartesian plane, wherein our x-coordinate is also known as the abscissa, and the y-coordinate is also known as ordinate. This Cartesian plane created 4 quadrants: Quadrant 1, Quadrant 2, Quadrant 3, and Quadrant 4. For this Quadrant 1, we have the coordinates of positive x and positive y. For our Quadrant 2, we have the coordinates of negative x and positive y. For Quadrant 3, we have negative x and negative y. And for our last quadrant, that is Quadrant 4, with positive x and negative y. Now let's locate and plot the following points in a Cartesian plane and determine the quadrant or axis where the point lies. Number 1, we have point A, 5, 3. So we have positive x coordinate and positive y coordinate. So if we have positive and positive, it locates in this quadrant, which is Quadrant 1. Number 2, we have point B, 3 and negative 1. We have positive x coordinate and a negative y coordinate. So this will be lying on Quadrant 4. Next is point C, 0 and negative 5. 0 si x, negative 5 naman yung y. It is not in a quadrant, so it means it is in y-axis. Point D is negative 4, negative 5, with negative x coordinate and negative y coordinate. So that will fall on Quadrant 3. Point E has negative 6 and negative 1, negative x coordinate, and positive y coordinate locates on quadrant 2. Always remember, if we have 0 coordinate, either x or y, the one that has value will locate in axis. For example, in number 3, 0 and negative 5. Kung sino may value na coordinate at 0 yung isa, it will fall in axis. So, in this case, in number 3, yung ating may value na coordinate is y coordinate. That's why it is in y-axis. Kapag naman yung y coordinate natin ay 0 at may value yung x coordinate, that will fall on x-axis. Now, let's give the coordinates of the point that is 2 units to the left of y-axis. So, bibilang tayo ng 2 units to the left. So, from the origin, 2 units to the left of y-axis, 1, 2. And 5 units above the x-axis. So, bibilang tayo from that point, 5 units above the x-axis. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that is our point. That is negative 2 and 5. Next, 3 units to the left of y-axis and along the x-axis. So that will become 3 units, so 1, 2, 3, along. When we say along, it lies on the x-axis. So, there will be our point. And the coordinates are negative 3, 0. Next is 7 units to the right of y-axis and 4 units below the x-axis. So, 7 units to the right. So, from the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 4 units below from that point. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will be your point. The point is, coordinates of that point is 7, negative 4. So what did you learn? In Cartesian plane, you will know the basic components and be able to identify the quadrants, and also you can locate and plot a point in a Cartesian plane. If you will rate yourself on how much you've learned today, what would it be? Now you can try this. Locate and plot the following points in a Cartesian plane and determine the quadrant or axis where the point lies. Number 1, point H has coordinate of 7, negative 9. Point G has negative 8, 0. Number 3, 10 units to the right of y-axis and 1 unit below the x-axis. Number 4, 5 units to the left of y-axis and 4 units below the x-axis. Thank you for watching. Now you can like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel through your desktop, tablets, and mobile phones. You can also like and follow my Facebook page. It's www.facebook.com/momrainofficial. Don't forget it! At ito pong muli si Ma'am Rein na nag-iiwan ng mga katagang, pag-aaral ay pagbutihin, kaalaman ay pagyamanin. Bye-bye!